to all of you for being here, taking time out of your busy evening to be part of our green gathering. Really grateful for the time that you're taking to come learn about what we're doing in the Center for Island Sustainability, and also to thank many of you who are our partners, our supporters, our funders for many years now.
Establishing the Guam Green Growth Initiative, which is going to be a movement in which the government of Guam has adopted the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and we're organizing our departments and agencies to push forward on the 17 different areas that the disciplines that there are.
From a relatively small funding portfolio has grown just in the past year to over $2.5 million. And that's a result of our federal partnerships, that's a result of our local partners, that's a result in part of partnering with, a giant in the field of sustainability as well as innovation, and that's Arizona State University. A partnership that has grown beyond ASU and beyond the United States, but even touching across different parts of the globe.